Good morning, children. So today Wednesday now we are going to IIT Ma. So we have completed 3 chapters in IIT. First chapter is number system, whole numbers, board mass rule we are completed. Okay, ma. Now we are going to the next chapter, integers. What is the chapter name? Integers. Page number 45 in IIT. What are called integers? Integers means what, ma? Did you know integers? So before we are going to integers, we have to learn the some type of numbers. What are those? First one is natural numbers. Natural numbers are called counting numbers. Natural numbers are also called counting numbers. Okay, what is the symbol of natural numbers? Capital N. Capital N is the symbol of natural numbers. So natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, so on. There are infinite numbers are there in natural numbers, and 1 is the least natural number. 1 is the least natural number. And next, whole numbers. What are called whole numbers? The natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. So natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. What is the symbol of whole numbers? Capital W. So whole numbers are started from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Infinite whole numbers are there. Okay. Natural numbers are 1 is the least natural number and whole number, 0 is the least whole number. Okay. Did you understand now? Next, integers. Integers means, what is the definition of integers? The whole numbers. The whole numbers along with negative numbers are called integers. Okay. Natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers, and the whole numbers along with negative numbers are called integers. Okay. So this is the one of the definition of integers. Another definition is the set of positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0 are called integers. Okay. Another definition is the set of positive numbers, set of negative numbers along with 0 are called integers. Okay. What is the symbol of integers, children? Capital I or capital Z. What is the symbol of integers, children? Capital I or capital Z. Okay. Then how can you write the set of integers? How can you write? What is the definition? The whole number along with negative numbers are called integers. So first we should write whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay. And negative numbers. Negative numbers means always, negative numbers are always less than 0. And the negative numbers always less than the positive numbers. So where you should write? On the left of 0. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on. Okay. So what is the definition of integers, children? The whole numbers along with negative numbers are called integers, or the set of positive numbers, the set of negative numbers along with 0 are called integers. The symbol of integers is capital I or capital Z. Did you understand, children? The set of integers this one. First you should write 0 on the middle. Right side you should write the positive numbers. 0 left side you should write negative numbers. Did you understand, ma'am? Here see, 1 is the least natural number. 0 is the least whole number. Okay. And here minus 1. Minus 1 is the greatest number of negative numbers. Minus 1 is the greatest number of negative numbers. There is no least integer. And there is no least negative number in the integers. Why? Because there are infinite numbers are there. Did you understand, ma'am? See here page number 45. Definition of integers. The set containing the positive numbers and negative numbers together with 0 is called set of integers. It is denoted by the letter capital Z or capital I. Important point 3. The set of negative numbers along with set of whole numbers is known as integers and is denoted by capital Z. There are infinite positive numbers to the right of 0. There are infinite number of positive numbers to the right of 0. And infinite negative numbers to the left of 0. Infinite negative numbers are there to the left of 0. Okay, 0 right side positive numbers are there, 0 left side negative numbers are there. There are infinite numbers are there. 0 is neither positive nor negative integer. 0 is a neither positive neither negative. Okay, 0 it is not a positive, it is not a negative. Okay, so that's a 0 is neither positive nor negative. Next, set of positive numbers is called set of positive integers denoted by Z plus. See here. One, two, three, four, so on. So what are called these numbers? These are all positive numbers. Okay, these are all positive numbers. How can you represent this one? Z plus. These are all set of positive integers. So that's why we have to indicate as Z plus. Or what do you call these numbers? Natural numbers. Okay, what do you call these numbers? Or natural numbers. Next, set of -4, -3, -2, -1. Okay, what do you call these ones? These are a set of negative integers. These are called set of negative integers. How can you represent this one? Capital Z minus. These are a set of negative integers. And set of 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. What do you call this one? Set of whole numbers. Okay, set of whole numbers. And it is called a set of non-negative integers. It is called set of non-negative integers. Or how can you represent this one? Z plus. Okay. Next is called negative numbers. Set of negative numbers is called set of non-positive integers denoted by Z minus. The numbers -1, -2, -3, so on are called additive inverses of 1, 2, 3, so on. See here, -1, -2, -3. These are all additive inverses of 1, 2, 3. Why? Because additive inverse means what, children? If you add to that number, we will get 0. That is called additive inverse. So you should add 1 plus of -1. How much? What will get? 0. 1 minus 1, how much? 0, no. So what is the additive inverse of -1 is? 1. Additive inverse of 1 is -1. Did you understand? Like that here also. Additive inverse of 2 is -2. Additive inverse of -2 is +2. Okay. So additive inverse of 3 is -3. Additive inverse of -3 is +3. Did you understand my additive inverse? Additive inverses means you should write opposite sign. Okay, for 3 is negative sign. Okay, for negative sign we have to write plus. That is called additive inverses. Did you understand, ma? Next, turn the page. Definition of number line. A straight line on which numbers are marked at equal intervals is called number line. What is called number line, children? A straight line on which numbers are marked at equal intervals is called number line. So you should write straight line, draw a straight line. And the middle I should write here 0. At equal distance you should take. That is called number line. -1, -2, -3. Okay, ma? Next, representation of integers on number line. First, draw a straight line. Mark a point 0 on the middle of it. Mark equal distances on the right as well as on the left. So, first you should draw a number line. On that number straight line, you should mark 0 in the middle of the number line. Right side you should write the positive numbers and 0 left side you should write negative numbers. On the right hand side of the middle point 0, label the points of division +1, +2 positive numbers. While on the left hand side you should mark as negative numbers. Hence the number line is like this. These are all positive integers, negative integers and middle one is 0. Okay. Numbers on the number line have a very important property, that is the integers occurring on the right or greater than the integers occurring on the left. See here, on the right side, you should move to the right side, the integers are increasing. You should move to the right side of the number line, the integers are increasing. You should move to the right to left, this side. Left side, you should move to the left side, the integers are decreasing. Okay, did you understand? If you move to the left side like this, left to right, if you move to left to right, it will be increasing. If you move to the right to left, it will be decreasing. Integers are decreasing. Okay. Now comparison and ordering of integers. Okay. Before we are going to, did you understand this one, children? All of you? Any doubts, ma? Next, comparison and ordering of integers. Comparison of integers. With the help of the properties of integers on the number line, we can make the following observations. On the number line, 0 lies on the left of every positive integer. See here, on the number line, 0 lies on the left of the positive numbers. 0 lies on the left of the positive numbers. So therefore, all positive integers are greater than 0. So all positive integers are greater than 0 or not? Yes. Next, on the number line, 0 lies on the right of every negative integer. On the number line, see here, 0 lies on the right side of negative numbers. 0 lies on the right side of negative numbers. So negative numbers are always 0 is greater than every negative integer. 0 is greater than every negative integer. Or negative integers are always less than the 0. Okay, ma? On the number line, every negative integer lies on the left of every positive integer. Therefore, every negative integer is less than every positive integer. So, every negative integer is always less than the positive integer. So, positive integer is always greater than the negative integer. The greater the number, the lesser is its negative. Greater is the number with negative sign, lesser is its value. So, in the negative number, observe here, in the negative numbers, here I am writing here -1, -2, -3. So, -3 you should take, -3 I am taking, -3 and -2. Which one is greater, children, here? Which one is greater? We don't know. So here 3 is bigger now, so that's why it is greater, we have to tell like that. But in the negative numbers, which one is the greatest number? That is the smallest number. Did you understand? In the negative numbers, which one is the greatest number? That number is least number. Okay. So here -3, -2. Which one is bigger, children? -2 is bigger. Okay. In the negative numbers only, not in positive numbers. Which one is the greatest number? That one is the least number. Okay now. So -3 lies on the right side of, lies on the left side of -2. That's why -3 is the less than the -2. Did you understand? Like that, -2 is less than -1. Okay. For negative integers, -1 is the greatest number. Did you understand? For negative numbers, -1 is the greatest number. Okay, ma? In positive integers, see, which one is greater, 3 or 2? It is definitely 3 is greater than 2. But in the negative numbers, -3 is less than -2. Okay, ma? Next, consecutive integers. Did you understand this topic, children? Next, consecutive integers. Consecutive integers are the integers that follow a sequence, that is, each subsequent number being one more than a previous number. So, consecutive numbers means what, ma'am? It is coming in order, one after the other in order will get, that is called consecutive numbers. Suppose 1 I am writing. What is the next number? 2, 3, 4. Like it in order it will get. Okay, that is called consecutive numbers. Types of consecutive integers: even consecutive integers, odd consecutive integers. Even consecutive integers, listen. When the continuous integer begins with an even number, then the difference between the two numbers in the sequence is 2. So, see here, which one is the first even number, children? 2. Next even number? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, like that so many others. So, these are even consecutive numbers. What is the difference between these two? 4 minus 2? 2 is difference. And what is the difference between 6 minus 4? 2. What is the difference between 8 minus 6? 2. All are 2 only. So, the sequence is difference of the sequence is 2 only. So, that is called even consecutive integers. Next, odd consecutive integers. When the continuous integer begins with an odd number, then the difference between the two numbers in the sequence is 2. Same, odd numbers. What is the first odd number? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, so on. What is the difference between these two? 2. What is the difference between these two? 2. Like that. Did you understand what? Sequence is same. That is called odd consecutive integers. Next, ordering of integers. Beginning with 0, numbers increase in value. Beginning with 0, numbers increasing in value to the right, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, and decrease in the value to the left, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. When comparing numbers, the order in which they are placed on the number line will determine if it is greater than or less than another number. If a number is to the left of a number on the number line, it is less than the number. If it is to right, then that is greater than that number. Okay, if any number is left of that number is less. Okay, if any number to the right of that number is greater. Did you understand? If any number, suppose here minus 3 is there. Minus 3 is on the left of minus 2. Okay, so it is less than. And here minus 1, see. Minus 1 is on the right of minus 2. So it is greater. Right side numbers are greater and left side numbers are less than numbers. Did you understand now? See the examples. Order that the numbers minus 8, 7, minus 4 and 3 from least to greatest. Use a number line to plot the number points. They put them in order from least to greatest. See here example. Here what are the numbers given? Minus 8, 7, minus 1, minus 4 and 3. Okay, you can draw the number line and locate these numbers. On the middle, I am drawing 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Sorry, minus 8 also is there, no? Minus 8. Okay. So, minus 8. Where it is minus 8, children? Here. 7. 7. Where it is 7? Here 7. So, which one is greater, minus 8 or 7, children? 7 is on the right of minus 8. So 7 is greater. Okay. Next, minus 4. Where it is minus 4? Here minus 4. So minus 4 is on the left of 7. So minus 4 is less than the 7. Next, 3. Where it is 3? Here. So 3 is on the right of minus 4. So 3 is greater. Did you understand, ma? First one is minus 8 is 7. Minus 8 is 7 is on the right of minus 8. So 7 is greater. Next, minus 4. Here minus 4. Minus 4 lies on the left of 7. So minus 4 is lesser. Next, 3. 3 here. So 3 is on the right of minus 4. So 3 is greater. Did you understand, ma? Like that you should find the numbers, ordering of integers. Next, did you understand, ma? Today homework is, see children, open the bits, page number 52, page number 52, level 1 bits, problems on basics of integers, that one, and page number 53, up to you have to do 15 problems, 15 bits, problems on ordering on integers. Page number 52 up to 15 bits, up to here you should do. Okay. And next. Okay, that one it is sufficient. Tomorrow I will give that homework. Okay, ma. So today what is the homework? Page number 52 and 53. 1 to 15 bits. You can do the homework. Okay. I will send the key. First chapter, second chapter, third chapter, I will send the key. You can check the answers now. Okay, ma? We'll continue next class now. Goodbye.